8:30 this morning. Then we got our lives together and got ready, put some pretty makeup on.
Okay, ladies.
So, now we are going to
Lil Malnati's for lunch.
Okay, where are we going?
We're gonna, because we have none of the plans. Brittany's singing real loud in the background. We have none of the plans. So I decided that we're gonna go to Schaumburg and go to Woodfield Mall.
All the decisions.
And walk around for a little bit. I think we're currently in downtown Dundee.
Look at, there's
And
like
there's
a
big
festival.
Fall fest happening right now.
Look at
There's
that.
a bunch of
Look at
people
all those
dressed up.
people.
There was a dance that was going
Those
on behind
pumpkins.
the gazebo. They're still
Look
all
at,
back
there it is. Look at that.
Look at they're dancing. They're doing Thriller right now.
Yes. Oh, it's so cute.
And
All
now
the
we're
people. So, we just got back from the store, 5 and below.
5 below.
5 below. Sorry, I don't know the lingo. And I got one thing, and guess what it was? I got a cat. It's so... Oh my god. We're at Portillo's.
She got 2 hot dogs. I got a chopped salad because even though it sounds really healthy, trust me, no, it's not. Their chopped salad is just getting my mouth, getting my body right now. And they're playing Frankie Valli in the Four Seasons right now.
Yes,
so,
they are.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Looks like lard, but it's so good.
I literally can't handle this right now. I'm so excited.
Alright, we're gonna eat now, and we'll let you know how we feel afterwards.
Hi. So, we're now crossing the bridge to Iowa. Look at it. It is so majestic. Bye, Illinois. See you later. Oh, so pretty. So, yeah. Got up this morning and we
Chillax.
Yeah, we had some coffee and some waffles that were so good. I'm gonna send a thank you to your mom.
Okay.
I will. They were just so nice. They are just so nice. That family is just so nice. And then we carved pumpkins.
Yeah, we
this
carved
morning,
pumpkins.
and they are cute. And then it was really fun. And then we showered.
That was fun.
That was also really fun. Okay, we're back in Iowa. Oh, I'm in my homeland. That's gonna be a song called "In My Homeland."